Hey guys, welcome back to Cookie Bastards, helping newbies kick ass in the kitchen. Today, shishitos, shishito peppers. Seems like a couple of years ago I'd never heard of these things. I had them for the first time in a Thai restaurant in Hawaii, I think. But now they're everywhere and they're really tasty, super easy. I used to be able to get these at the farmer's market. Farmer's market sold out, so I got this batch at the supermarket, which says something about how popular they are, because now you can buy them at the supermarket. Fun thing about shishitos is they're really mild. They're not like what you'd expect from a pepper until you hit the one that... But even then, it's not that bad. It burns a little bit and then it goes away. It's not like, say, a ghost pepper. All right, so I'm getting this guy heated up about mid-range. I don't know exactly what temperature that is, although I know that matters to some people, but I got it on 5, so, you know, I know what that's gonna be. Get that pretty hot. Add a little bit of olive oil. A couple of tablespoons. And when you start to see that shimmering, you can sort of smell the oil. That usually means it's ready to add the food. I smell it. All right, here's the hard part. I just let them go. Takes a few minutes, you can't rush it. You gotta let it just kind of sit there, build up some char. Almost like you're fire roasting a pepper, if you know what that looks like, you know, black, basically. But that's gonna add so much flavor to these. Some people say you poke a hole in them so that they don't explode. I checked with the Shishito Council and you don't actually have to, so yeah, that's one less step for me. All right guys, so 5 or 10 minutes. They all look pretty nice and charred. They smell great. Get some coarse salt. I've got this really nice, like big flake sea salt from Iceland, actually. Thanks, Doug and Jennifer. Serve them up. All right guys, if you like these, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, check out my website at cookiebastards.com. See all my gear on my kit page, kit.com Cookie Bastards. And knock yourself out, guys. Cheers. Ah. Oh, it's a hot one. Right off the bat. Good though.